Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 27A online. This form is crucial for many individuals and businesses, and it's important to know that the only way to submit it is through the official online portal. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. This digital method offers efficiency and security, making your filing experience straightforward and reliable. Before you even log in, it's essential to have all your information organized. This includes any relevant financial statements, personal identification details, and supporting documents. Double-check all figures for accuracy to avoid any delays or issues with your submission. Having everything prepared will make the online filing process much smoother and quicker for you, saving valuable time. Once your information is ready, navigate to the official online portal. Log in using your secure credentials, then carefully follow the prompts to enter your data into each section of Form 27A. Take your time to review every field for accuracy before moving forward. The system is designed to guide you, but your careful attention ensures a successful submission. After reviewing all your entries one final time, you're ready to submit Form 27A. Click the Submit button, and the system will process your filing. You'll then receive a confirmation receipt, which is vital to save or print for your records. This receipt serves as proof of your successful submission. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.